Cross Productions proudly presents Chronicles of Zama, bringing Jamaican superhero animation to the world. The production of Chronicles of Zama, a Jamaican superhero animation created by Courtney Cross, the first man in Jamaica to ever create a full 24 minutes animated series in 4 months, is an exciting project that showcases the island's rich cultural heritage and creativity. As a pioneering effort in Jamaican animation, Chronicles of Zama has the potential to captivate audiences globally and promote Jamaican talent. Production overview. The production process will involve several key stages. Story development. Crafting a compelling narrative that blends Jamaican culture, folklore, and superhero elements.
What?
Character design. Creating visually stunning characters that embody the spirit of Jamaica and its people. Animation production. Bringing the characters and story to life through vibrant animation and engaging storytelling. Call to corporate Jamaica. We are calling out to corporate companies in Jamaica to sponsor this groundbreaking project. Your support will enable us to produce high-quality animation, invest in top-notch animation software, equipment, and talent to create a world-class product, promote Jamaican culture, showcase Jamaica's unique culture, music, and heritage to a global audience. Develop local talent. Provide opportunities for Jamaican artists, writers, and animators to develop their skills and gain international recognition. Benefits of sponsorship. By sponsoring Chronicles of Zama, your company will enhance brand visibility, reach a global audience, and increase brand recognition through association with a unique and exciting project. Support local talent, contribute to the development of Jamaica's creative industry, and nurture local talent. Promote cultural exchange, help showcase Jamaican culture to the world, fostering cross-cultural understanding and appreciation. Chronicles of Zama is a project that embodies the spirit of Jamaican creativity and innovation. We invite corporate Jamaica to join us in bringing this exciting project to life. Together, we can showcase Jamaican talent, promote cultural exchange, and entertain audiences worldwide. Let's work together to make Chronicles of Zama a success and put Jamaican animation on the global map.
This man here black like a Tara. Who him? You sure we can trust him? The Father in heaven tell me say me mustn't trust nothing black. The Lord soon give me a sign, cause in Jamaica you now see them something here every day.
So how you know say me know the sign what the Lord said?
Jamaican, look here quick.
Right, they were not dead now. How am I stop all of them people there?
Oh Lord of David, Samuel and Abednego, why have you forsaken us? We're sure to perish tonight because this man here in a black, green and gold who present himself before us, him can't stop them.
Don't be so negative, have some faith, Reverend. It is inevitable, Jamaica. This planet has been marked for annihilation. The inhabitants of this planet will be erased from existence. Humanity is not perfect. As such, the construct of their labor.
Melva, look here. A Jamaican look, them here taking picture.
Oh, I hear those little shaman.
The fate of their existence is in their hands.
The reptilians came from the sea. We need to work together if we're going to survive.
That just might work. We not give it nothing wrong, and if we're back as a team, we don't see how them can't stop we. How the brother, yeah?
Bounty Price, this is Simbi. A merman from the Hidden Atlantis deep in the Caribbean Sea.
So I'm a one fish. I am a water spirit. Yeah. Fish.
DM, how soon can we buy this property?